Alright, welcome back. So, I don't have much battery here, but I wanted to get something, and honestly, I want to be in the habit of doing this without it being perfect, so I'm kind of just aiming real low right now. So I'm on a different computer. Let's go ahead and set this up. Last time we found out that with our SSH keys, we could have multiple keys if you're using the config, which we have here. And so I know as long as I'm using GitHub-Stoic, it's going to use a different set of info. It'll log in as git to github.com and use this key, right? So let's go ahead and git clone. Let's change this path name to GitHub-Stoic. It already exists. What? Seriously? I already set this up? Man, I must have been just out of it last night. Alright. That's right, because I set it up and I had that initial push. Okay, anyway. Let's pull it. Yay, it works. Okay. Let's install our stuff. Let's yarn start to start our server. Let's go look at it. Localhost 3000. There it is. All right. Now, what was it we were going to do? Taiga. Shit. I don't have any battery. That's all right. Let's go. Not found. Hey. All right. It's because that is the wrong dealio. I need to log in with my... Man, does this... It's not even synced, I don't think. Yay. Alright, whatever. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to be able to post something here. You know, because we need to be able to send information to this server, and then we wanted to be able to retrieve it, right? So why don't we can either start by creating the stuff and then figuring out how to view it, or we could go the opposite way and figure out how to view it with some fake stuff and then figure out a way to add real stuff. Let's do that way. So if I say this is my route here for the index, don't need that one. Where's my server here app? Don't need that one. So this is the default. I don't want that. Let's just make this some BS. I don't want to use this either. I want to use... See, I don't like this templating stuff. What I'd rather do is in here make a public... How should I do this? This route, when I get this... Okay, so this is the path that's saying, hey, when it's the /, which is just the root, return this stuff. What if we say router get items? Then I want, let's see, res. Then I want to respond with some JSON that looks like this. Status success. That's not good. Success. And items 1, 2, 3. And that's some BS. Remember, I got to start this server over for this to work, right? Aye. So let's start it. Oh my god, it's so pissed off because we're telling something to use users and doesn't exist. That's why we've got to set up our linter. We'll do that later. Let's try it again. Yay, it's working. Yay, that's working. And our, what is it, items? Yay, that's working. That's successful. Here are my items. That's, you know, not great. But at least we have a route to retrieve our stuff. Now, this is not very RESTful. I mean, I don't even know what these items are. I mean, get items, I guess that is RESTful, but It's not real clear. It's not very explicit. This will probably change. Anyway, you know what? I'm so happy with this, and I want to keep us focused. I'm going to say, get the hell out of here, other route. Remember, this is the HTTP request verb or method, I guess. Get. So get item is this, and I think let's restart our stuff and go look at it. Okay, that's cool. Let's make them some real items. Well, real-ish items. Say they might have an ID of A and I don't know, content. Hello. Now I actually made an NPM module that would help with this kind of stuff when you weren't quite ready. But I'm barely online. I have no battery, so we're just going to do it this way. All right, let's restart our server. Now we check. Hey, looks good. Check it out. We're going to status, add, commit, stub, get, response. Save it. G, push. It was successful. Check it out. We now have some stuff up here. My new commits. Somewhere. There they are. There it is. We stubbed our get response. So now my battery's just about to go. But we'll look at the next part. Instead of saving this stuff here, maybe we'll start putting it here and just keep it in memory. Now it's going to get wiped out every time the server restarts, but that's all right. It's a step in the right direction. So instead of just hard coding these, we'll start keeping them in there. Oh, there it goes. All right. Later.